21.
Yes guys, Rampage completed. The Bitcoin price met the exact target to the specific price level I mentioned yesterday. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful price target met at exactly around the falling wedge pattern and the W pattern confirmation and beautiful continuation to this specific price target around the 43,000.
Oh my God!
Falling wedge pattern has been met and the W pattern has been met, as you can see right here. Boom and beautiful. Look at that. Oh yeah.
Yeah!
Yes guys, that's a percentage gain of around 6% in the short term. That's very good. Congratulations guys. If you took this trade using my signals, congratulations. And if you took the trade anyways, congratulations anyways. You made profits. So awesome guys. Well, now the Bitcoin price continue heading higher, or will it go back test this Fibonacci retracement or this trend line to then have a massive rampage to the $50,000 area that is getting closer to be completed and go fill our bags with profits. Let's go Bitcoin. Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Solutions, here to help you make the best decisions in cryptocurrency and in cryptocurrency technical analysis. In today's video, we're going to be talking about where is the Bitcoin price going to go in the near term. Right now, as I mentioned before, falling wedge pattern, book bullish, also made it a W pattern over here, retest, met the target. Beautiful, beautiful. Just exactly as predicted a couple of days ago and yesterday also. So pulling out some indicators right now. I'm gonna pull out the EMA ribbon right here. We can see that the Bitcoin price is above this 4-hour time frame EMA ribbon right here. Very, very high up in this $43,000 area right now. Also, I'm gonna pull out the CPR indicator. As I mentioned yesterday, these monthly pivot points on the CPR are very strong support, and also next target will be if the Bitcoin price can hold this level around the $42,600 area and an increase in the volume candles for in the green side, then the next CPR monthly point resistance will be around the $46,000 area, and that's very bullish. And the Bitcoin price can do that, can reach that level within this month to next month. That's awesome. So pulling out the simple moving averages right here, we can see that the Bitcoin price is above the 200 simple moving average in the 4-hour time frame. The Bitcoin price is above the 100 simple moving average. The Bitcoin price is above the 50 simple moving average. And the Bitcoin price is above the 21 simple moving average in the 4-hour time frame. And that's awesome. Beautiful. That's a bullish momentum in the 4-hour time frame. Also, I'm gonna pull out the Williams alligator indicator. The green line is above the red line is above the blue line. And the red line serves as a very strong support or resistance, or both. Right now, the Bitcoin price is in a really, really bullish uptrend right now. In order for this continuation of the Bitcoin price to continue, there has to be a continuation in the green candles right here around this specific level on the area I'm marking right here. So that is the 4-hour time frame for the Bitcoin price right now. Here is the 1-day time frame for the Bitcoin price. As you can see right here, the Bitcoin price followed this pattern right here, broke out, retest, and now it's breaking out of this strong trend line over here that comes from the all-time high from the Bitcoin price. I'm gonna show you right now. As you can see right here, resistance over here, comes back to here. And right now the Bitcoin price is breaking that level around the $41,600 area. And right now the Bitcoin price is around the 42,800 area right now in the time I'm recording this video. As you can see right here, if the Bitcoin price can close a daily candle above this trend line, that's a very, very bullish sign in the short term. Also, we can see right here that the volume is not that big on the daily time frame, but it's something. But in order for this not to be a fake out, the volume has to keep increasing in regards of the green candles in the volume section over here, like around this area, like a couple of these candles right here. As you can see right here, a couple of green candles as high as this one, in order for this to be a continuation of the Bitcoin price to the upside. So right now we see that on the daily time frame for the Bitcoin price. I'm gonna show you right now another thing using the EMA ribbon right here on the daily time frame. We can see that the Bitcoin price is above this daily EMA ribbon. As you can see right here, as I mentioned before, there was most likely when the Bitcoin price was here a couple of days ago, I mentioned that it will most likely go to this daily EMA ribbon because it has a lot of confluence. It did that exactly as predicted, and also it bounced a lot. Like, look at this, and also broke out of this falling and out of this horizontal trend line, which is a very strong resistance. That's a very bullish thing in the Bitcoin price right now. So as you can see right here, the price target out of this pattern right here, I'm gonna show you right now, measuring the price target from this low to this high. There's a specific Bitcoin target that this pattern is following right now, which is the around the $50,000 area, and the Bitcoin price is on its way. Look at that. Boom, retest, breaking out this falling trend line. And if the volume continues, that's very good, because the Bitcoin price will also most likely retest this trend line and then keep going forward. And that will be a very bullish thing for the Bitcoin price in the short term. Also, I'm gonna pull out the CPR lines, as I mentioned before. Strong resistance over here, the $46,000 area. Very strong support around these blue lines, around the 39,800 area. I'm gonna pull out the simple moving averages for the daily time frame. Let me turn off this indicator so you. Pulling out the simple moving averages in the daily time frame, we can see right here. This green line is the 200 simple moving average. This will serve as a huge resistance also before the Bitcoin price can continue going upwards. So as you can see right here, also the daily Bitcoin price is above the 21 simple moving average. The Bitcoin price is above the 50 simple moving average in the daily time frame, and the Bitcoin price is above this 100 simple moving average in the daily time frame. Right now, the only simple moving average that is yet to be conquered and be converted into support will be the 200 simple moving average. This will be a huge resistance that most likely when the Bitcoin price reaches this simple moving average, it will most likely get rejected, go back to this Fibonacci retracement or to this trend line as support, and then slowly continue to the upside. Also, that's another scenario that could happen. Looking at the Fibonacci retracements right here, you can see right here that I pull out the Fibonacci retracements from this high, this all-time high for the Bitcoin price, to this swing low of the $28,600 area for the Bitcoin price. And as you can see right here, Bitcoin price is following this Fibonacci retracement, also very good. Look at this, huge. It served as a resistance in the short term, but it then retested as support, and now the next Fibonacci retracement, which is this line over here, it served as a resistance over here also. That's why the Bitcoin price got rejected over there, and now the Bitcoin price, it's starting to break out of this Fibonacci retracement, and the next Fibonacci retracement will be around the 56,500 area. That also coincides with this CPR indicator around this area, and this 200 simple moving average around that price area for the Bitcoin price, which will be the $46,800 area right there. Also, we can see right here that the next Fibonacci retracement will be around the $51,000 area that has confluence with this price target of the Bitcoin price out of this pattern, that the price target will be around the $50,000 area. And also there will be a huge resistance because it will be the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. Most likely the Bitcoin price will get rejected over here, and then after creating some momentum will break this Fibonacci retracement eventually. And the next Fibonacci retracement will be $50,000 area, and then all-time high. So yeah, right now the Bitcoin price is showing a lot of bullish momentum. So right now, the one thing I'm seeing right here that will determine if the Bitcoin price can continue all of these bullish uptrends I mentioned before would be the volume. As I mentioned before, it is slowly decreasing, which is not good because in order to make these massive moves over here like this, the Bitcoin price has to show a high volume green candles as seen right here. This is the type of green candle volume that will be needed in order for the Bitcoin price to make these massive moves, as you can see right here. Right now, if you're seeing the green candles over here, there's not a lot of green candles, and also there's not a huge increase in the height of the green candles in the volume. In other words, if there's no volume, there's no continuation in the Bitcoin price. In order for the Bitcoin price to continue, there has to be enough volume. It's a very, very important indicator. That will be the only thing right now. The patterns are looking very bullish. The simple moving averages are looking very bullish. This trend line, which is a cycle gate resistance, as I like to say it, because that's the huge resistance that the Bitcoin price will have to break in order for this Bitcoin price to have a more likely chance to keep going upwards. So right now, in the daily time frame for the Bitcoin price, it looks very, very bullish. That's very good. Anyways, so switching up to the 1 hour time frame. So guys, if you're enjoying the video for the moment right now, I would really appreciate it if you can leave a like right now. And if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions. I would really appreciate it. And let's get back to the 1 hour time frame for the Bitcoin price right now. As we can see right here, as I mentioned before, this falling wedge pattern has been met around here, these price targets, and this W pattern has also been met. Boom, retest, and beautiful price target for the W pattern. As I mentioned before, measure out the move like this, and boom, exactly as predicted, the Bitcoin price met the target. There was an increase in volume right here, the continuation right here. That's a very bullish thing. And anyways, and as you can see right here, the Bitcoin price is also trying to go back to this falling and to this pattern right here. You see this right now? Bitcoin price broke out of this pattern, and now it's coming back again to this pattern. So if the Bitcoin price can hold support over here, the Bitcoin price after some momentum can go to this specific price target level around the $45,000 area. That will be the top of this pattern right here. I'm gonna extend this there. That's very bullish in the short term for the Bitcoin price. That's awesome. But guys, watch out. What I can see right here is that the Bitcoin price has increased by a lot in the short term, which is a very good thing. But at the same time, it has to have a break in order for then to continue the bullish momentum. Here, this is some kind of momentum, and then boom. And now, what will be healthy for the Bitcoin price is to have a small correction or have enough momentum over here consolidated for some long periods of time to then continue, because the Bitcoin price can't just keep increasing like this and this for almost forever. It can't do that. That's not how most investments work, even if the Bitcoin price is the best investment in commodities in the world. Like right now, the Bitcoin price, it's starting to show that it has to cool off. I mean, look at this. Also, looking at the RSI, I can see right here, look at this. The Bitcoin price here, this pattern is on the 4-hour time frame. That's why it looks like this. But in this was showing a bearish divergence here, and now the Bitcoin price managed to break out of this trend line, and now it's like trying to retest this as a support. But also what could happen is this: if the Bitcoin price can't get a higher high from here, then it will most likely confront a bearish divergence right here if the Bitcoin price can't get above this high or here. So yeah, so pulling out some indicators right now. I'm gonna pull out the EMA ribbon right here, the 1-hour time frame. As you can see right here, the Bitcoin price is really above the 1-hour EMA ribbon right here. That's a very bullish thing. The CPR lines, as I said before, strong resistance over here, around the $40,000 area, and also we have the next huge resistance over here around the $46,000 area, as I mentioned before. And I'm gonna pull out the simple moving averages in the 1-hour time frame. I'm gonna turn off the CPR and the EMA ribbon just for a second. And okay, right now the simple moving averages in the 1-hour time frame for the Bitcoin price, as you can see right here, the Bitcoin price is above the 4 simple moving averages right here, which is the 100 simple moving average over here, the 50 simple moving average over here, the 21 simple moving average right here, and the 200 simple moving average over here. Right now, the Bitcoin price is showing a lot of momentum. That's very good. In order for this to continue, the Bitcoin price, in order for the bullish momentum to continue to the upside, the Bitcoin price will have to show an increase in the green candles in the volume section over here in order for the bullish momentum to continue, or else there will be a high chance for the Bitcoin price to come back to retest this trend line as support, because this trend line comes from the all-time high, as I mentioned before, in the daily time frame and in the 4-hour time frame. I'm gonna switch to the 10-minute time frame just for a second right here. Also, I'm going to pull out the Williams Alligator indicator right now just for a sec. As you can see right here, the green line is above the red line is above the blue line. It's a very bullish momentum in the Williams Alligator indicator for the Bitcoin price. And also, this red line will serve as a very strong support around the $41,400 area, that if the Bitcoin price doesn't continue the momentum because of not enough volume in this section with a lot of green candles, Bitcoin price can go back to this trend line and around this Fibonacci retracement here and this red line over here, which in the Williams Alligator indicator that serves as a strong support, and that would be the support area over here. Going into the 10-minute time frame for the Bitcoin price, we can see right here that Bitcoin price it's starting to decrease in volume. Also in the RSI we can see also that the momentum is slowly decreasing, as you can see right here. Also here, there's a pattern over here right now, is this. And this pattern over here. If the Bitcoin price wants to continue heading to the upside, which the price target for this small pattern in 10-minute time frame will be an increase to around the $43,800 area. If the Bitcoin price wants to continue, it has to increase in volume and also break out of this strong resistance, as you can see right here. Resistance, strong resistance. Look at that long wick. Boom. Resistance, 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 resistance right now, as you can see right there. And if the Bitcoin price can't manage to get above this trend line, then if it breaks down, the Bitcoin price will most likely go around this $41,800 area, around here, as you can see. And that will be a small pattern right now, a very short time trade right now. In the 10-minute time frame, I'm gonna pull out the indicators right here. In the EMA ribbon, the Bitcoin price in the 10-minute time frame, we can see right here is above the 10-minute EMA ribbon right here. Also, the CPR points are mostly the same as I mentioned before in the 4-hour time frame. And I'm gonna turn off the CPR. I'm gonna pull out the simple moving averages in the 10-minute time frame. In the 10-minute time frame, the Bitcoin price is above these 4 simple moving averages: the 200 simple moving averages, 100 simple moving averages, the 50 simple moving average, and the 21 simple moving average, as you can see right there, which is bullish. The Williams Alligator indicator in the 10-minute time frame for the Bitcoin price, strong support around this trend line and around this red line, which is the $42,600 area right there. And that will be the 10-minute time frame for the Bitcoin price, which is bullish in the moment right now. So yeah, that's good, very good. So guys, that will be today's video for the Bitcoin price. If you enjoyed the video, I would really appreciate it if you can leave a like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow me on my social medias. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, follow me on Twitter. And if you would like to support my YouTube channel, there's a Bybit link in the description below. If you deposit a certain amount of Bitcoin, you can get a bonus around the $500 area, and you will be supporting my YouTube channel by doing so. That's a leverage trading platform, guys. So if you're not an experienced trader, don't trade with leverage. If you don't know what you're doing, if you're a beginner, stick to dollar cost averaging in the Bitcoin price in the long term. That is also a smart investing strategy in investing in the Bitcoin price. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I appreciate you for taking your time to watch this video. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day and take care, guys. Peace out.